Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a little bit dramatic makeup look, but it's so easy to do and very beautiful as well. So to start off, I'm gonna apply a vitamin C all over my face to moisturize, and I'm gonna spread it out with the tip of my fingers. I am breaking out a little bit, so you can see some pimples in my face, but it's normal. And next, for my under eye area, I'm gonna apply Haldi Eyes by Farsali. I'm gonna apply just a little tiny bit, and this product is so good for the dark circles, and it also makes my skin look stunning, especially with the concealer on top. And I'm gonna spread it out with the tip of my fingers, doing a little bit of massage around my eyes. The contact lenses that I'm using are from Gel Eyes, and this is the shade Charming Green. This is from the new collection and is so beautiful. Is especially the most comfortable lenses that I have ever used. And next, for more glam in my makeup look, I'm gonna apply the Jelly Beam highlighter, also by Farsali, just in the highest points of my face. I like to apply this highlighter before I apply my foundation to give me a natural glow. And now for my foundation, I'm gonna apply Beyond Perfect Skin by Clinique. This is a concealer and foundation at the same time. I'm gonna spread it out all over my face with a damp beauty blender. And when I finish to blend my foundation, I'm gonna apply contour and highlights all over my face. Today I'm using Huda Beauty Contour, and also the highlighter, the concealer that I use it for highlighter. This is Boing by Benefit in the shade number 1, and the contour is the shade Fair. So I just blend everything with the same blender as before. And to set everything, I'm gonna use a translucent powder by NARS. This powder is white, so it's very good to highlight. That's why I apply it in excess in the areas that I want to stand out even more. And also, I'm gonna use the Sculpt palette by Sigma Beauty to set the contour. And to apply, I'm using a contour brush by Sigma Beauty. You can use any brush that you like for it. You can use my code for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. This is Melissa SB. And next, for a little bit of color in my face, I'm gonna apply this amazing blush by the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply the shade Toil just in the apples of my cheeks. To apply, I'm using this Poly Duster brush, and as you can see here, this blush is amazing. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of lip balm in my lips, and now moving on to my eyes. First, I'm gonna apply a eyeshadow base, and this is the shade number 2. And next, I'm gonna use the White Peach palette by Too Faced Cosmetics. So I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow base with the concealer brush all over the eyelid and blend really well this product. And next, I'm gonna apply a peachy shade in my crease to create more depth and dimension. To apply, I'm using a big fluffy brush, but for today's look, I want to create more a foxy eye shape. So I don't want to apply too much product in my crease. So I'm going to be adding the product gradually in my crease and blend to the outer corners. So I blend in circular motions, and in the outer corner, I just touch my skin with the brush and swipe it up. Now for more drama, in this makeup look, I'm gonna apply gel liner in the roots of the lashes, and I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line and also in the upper lash line. To apply, I'm using a very small brush, and I'm gonna use the gel liner by Inglot. This part is optional. I'm using a black gel liner, but you can use a purple, a blue, or even a brown eyeliner. On top of this gel liner, I just have to apply a eyeshadow to set and blend. So I'm using the darkest shade from the palette in the upper lash line and also in the lower lash line, bringing this eyeshadow to the outer corner. As you can see here, I just have to smudge it out. And now I'm gonna remove the excess powder from my face with a blush brush. And next for highlighter, I'm gonna apply the same highlighter from the Sculpt palette by Sigma Beauty just in the highest points of my face with a fluffy blending brush. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna apply lipsticks. Today I'm gonna apply a liquid lipstick by Too Faced Cosmetics, and this is the shade Child Star. I'm gonna apply just a little bit all over my lips and blend with the tip of my fingers to remove the excess product. Next, I'm gonna apply the shade Venom by Sigma Beauty just in the center to create this ombre effect. And to finish, I'm gonna apply lip gloss. Today I'm using the Llip Plump by Gerard Cosmetics. I'm gonna apply it just in the center of my lips, and this is how I finished this makeup look. I really hope that you like it. I love how the look turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you did, spread to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram to see more pictures and watch the lives that I'm doing there as well. And I see you in the next videos. Take care and stay safe. Mwah. Bye!